So I really want to talk to you guys about the collaboration that New York Makeup Academy has with MUA Making Beauty Academy. It's such a fantastic partnership, and actually what happened inside the academy and how this all came about was I met Irene in New York, so that's how that relationship really started.
Ciao, sono Irene Torresi-Bertelli, docente per MUA Making Beauty Academy a Milano. Abbiamo cominciato a parlare di questa collaborazione tra appunto le due accademie.
So now we're here in Milan, Backstage at Fashion Week, and we are collaborating on our first shows together this weekend. They've gone really well, the students have been amazing, and we're really excited about some of the future opportunities and programs that are going to come out of this.
Stiamo costruendo tutto insieme alle nostre accademie per darvi anche voi la possibilità di fare queste tipologie di esperienze anche a New York, nell'Accademia di New Jersey.
So thank you very much, we'll see you soon.
Mi raccomando, allora vi aspettiamo a New York.